First cast.
Missed one.
First cast.
Where'd you get it on?
Cotton Cordell lipless.
First cast, that's how we do it.
Feels like closing his mouth.
Good work, bro.
Actually, I think I was grabbing the opposite way. Jeez, I'm good at fishing. God, I'm so good at fishing, dude. Holy
Look how
crap,
big that
this
belly
thing's
is.
fat.
That was a little chunk, isn't it?
Cotton Cordell, lipless.
Is that
Bass
how you
number
pronounce
2.
it? Cotton Cordell?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. This thing's small, but it's fat.
Yeah, that belly is big on that thing.
Huh. That's funny.
This is creepy, guys. Someone was doing some witchcraft out here. Feathers, bird feathers down there in like a wood vase. Got some playing cards and jewelry. That is creepy.
I actually watched a movie kind of like that. It was so scary. Once like he turned to a full demon, it got kind of cheesy. But it was like a realtor, and he had to like.
Oh,
get a
one's hitting it,
clown.
one's hitting it. There he is.
Good idea. Decent little one.
Dang, little guy choked it.
Dude, I might be getting a race spot.
Yeah. 3 fish in 10 minutes.
Just a little guy on the rage craw.
So I was going to tell you guys on Sunday over there at the.
There's one. There's one. Bass number 3 on the shaky head rage craw. Just a little guy. That is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you guys later.